Hey friends, welcome to the tutorial for Good to Be Alive by Andy Grammer. This one's really fun. It's got a little gospel go to church feel to it. Let's get started. It starts with right, left, right, 2 kicks, side and back, left, right, left, 2 kicks, side and back. So those little steps there. Kick, side and change. And on the other side, it's kick, side and change. Let's try up to tempo. Right, left, double left, side and change. Left, right, double kick, side and change. Kick, side and change. Kick, side and change. Now the chorus, we're going to kick it up. We're going to scoop the arms up and up. It goes diagonal. Right side, left side. Then we have hands, around, hands. And on the side, the hands are shaking. And then we take it around with the body. Again, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeats the back diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have our legs go fast. And arms are open. And we have those hallelujah hands. Ta. The words are good to be alive right about now. Good to be alive right about now. Good to be alive right about now. We go. Clap, down, up, down, and then up, down. Then we have quick feet. Right, left. Repeats. Step, clap, left, right. You notice those claps are on the second down beat, so it's step, tap. Great. After our clapping section, we repeat from the top, starting with that right, left, double kick, side and change 4 times, and then something different. We start with a little turn of the bike. We go right, left, right, together. Legs go out and out, double side, and hallelujah arm stop. Then we turn 1, 2, 3, together 4, out and out, clap, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Let's do it.